Okay, welcome back to Miss Diaz at the channel with me, Miss Diaz. Okay, nice to see you again in this channel. Thank you very much for you who have already subscribed this channel and watch all of the videos in this channel related to campus life or maybe about specific thing about life, love, and love. Okay, today we will talk once again about writing. Okay, in this case, essay. Previously, we talked a lot about writing, about process of writing, about how to make a paragraph, yeah, and all of the details about paragraph. And now we will move to essay. Okay, our today's topic is about the structure of an essay. Okay, after you have already learned how to write a paragraph, now let's level up your skills of writing to essay. Yep, let's start. Okay, before we go further, you need to know what is essay exactly so that you will not like misleading to write something that is not essay. Okay, the first thing, an essay is a group of paragraphs written about a single topic and a central main idea. Okay, previously, when we talk about paragraph, a paragraph is a group of sentences. Okay, but essay is a group of paragraphs. Okay, they are also talking about single topic, and the essay also uh, talk about one central main idea. Okay, the difference is paragraph is a group of sentences, but an essay is a group of paragraph. Okay, take a note of that. Okay, second, essay must have at least three paragraphs. Okay, at least three paragraphs. But a five paragraph essay is a common assignment for academic writing. Okay, the minimum is three paragraph. Sorry, the minimum is the three paragraph essay, but the best or the better is five paragraph essay. Okay, for the beginner you can try to write down, okay, maybe three paragraph essay. Okay, it's okay. Okay, what should be included in an essay? Okay, here are three main parts of an essay. Previously we talked also about three basic part of a paragraph. Okay, now we talk about an essay. Okay, they commonly the same, but the way we call it different. Okay, the first part of an essay is the introduction. Okay, here is the first paragraph of an essay. Okay, it explains the topic with general ideas. It also has a thesis statement. Okay, previously in a paragraph we talk about topic sentence, but in essay we talk about thesis statement. Okay, this is a sentence that gives the main idea. Okay, the same with topic sentence. Yeah, in a paragraph, thesis statement also gives the main idea, tells about the main idea of the essay. Okay, it usually comes at or near end of the paragraph, introductory paragraph or introduction paragraph. Okay, once again, it usually comes at or near the end of the paragraph, introductory paragraph. Okay, and then we go to the second part of an essay, that's the body. Okay, the body of an essay contains of some paragraphs should be, but if you can't make it, just try for one paragraph only. This paragraph should support the thesis statement in introductory paragraph. Okay, the body of the essay comes between the introduction and the conclusion or concluding paragraph. Okay, the third part of an essay is the conclusion or the concluding paragraph. Yeah, and yeah, the function is same with the concluding sentence in a paragraph. This is the last paragraph of an essay, and it summarizes or restates the thesis statement and the supporting ideas of the essay. Okay, the way you do or write paragraph or concluding paragraph is rather the same with the way you write down a concluding sentence. Okay, but this paragraph is a paragraph, not a sentence. Previously, in a paragraph, we have a concluding sentence, but here we have a concluding paragraph in essay. Okay, thank you. Next, we will move to how to format an essay. Okay, you have already know that you should have at least three paragraphs in an essay. Then how to format an essay, how to type it down or write it down. Okay, yeah, the first one, use double spacing because this is an essay, so we need to make sure that our uh, reader easy to read the essay and make them interesting, make them enjoy read your essay. So please give or use double spacing when you write down or you type the essay. Okay. Second, leave 2.5 centimeters of space on the sides and the top and the bottom of the page, or commonly we call this as margin. Okay, please have margin 2.5 centimeters. Yeah. And then after that, the third, if you type your essay, start the first line of each paragraph with 5 spaces or a tab. Okay, tab. This is called indenting. If you write by hand, indent about 2 centimeters. Okay, yeah, you can choose whether you type or write it. Okay, this is the thing that you need to remember. And then the thing that is important about the format is the title. Put the title of your essay at the top of the page in the center. Okay, yeah. When should we write the title? That's common question come from the audience. Okay, you can write it down the last. You can start by title, but if you are not that sure about your title, you can just give space at the top center of your paper or yeah, on your page, and then write it at the last. Okay, that's it. Doesn't matter whether you write it first or last. Okay, that's about the format of an essay. Now we will focus on thesis statement. Okay, previously I talked about thesis statement, topic sentence, what the difference. And here, the thesis statement is the sentence that tells the main idea of the whole essay. Okay, understand? Yeah, this is kind of topic sentence, but in essay. It can be compared to a topic sentence. Okay, can you compare? Yeah, which give the main idea of a paragraph. Topic sentence in a paragraph, thesis statement in an essay. Okay, don't switch. They are different. Okay, it usually comes at or near the end of the introductory paragraph or introduction paragraph. Okay, not like the topic sentence, which come first as the first sentence in a paragraph. Thesis statement um, usually comes at or near the end, okay, of the introduction paragraph. Okay, remember about that. Okay, that's about thesis statement. And then your next question will be like, how to write a strong thesis statement? Okay, let me tell you that there are three ways. The first way is a thesis statement gives the author's opinion or states an important idea about the topic. Okay, giving author's opinion. Okay, underline that, opinion. Yeah, author's opinion. Okay, so here we need to make sure that your A thesis statement is an opinion of the authors. Okay, I mean the opinion means like a relative things, something that can be debated or debatable things. So yeah, it will be interesting when your reader is not agree with your statement, or maybe they are pro with your statement. Okay, that should give an idea that can be discussed and explained with supporting ideas. Okay, so the thesis statement should raise an issue that can be discussed or explained. Okay, by the next paragraph there is the supporting paragraphs. Okay, or the body of your essay. Okay, this is the example. For example, I have two. The first one, the qualification of an for entering a university in my country is unreasonable. Okay, we have here the opinion of the authors is unreasonable. Okay, this is really relative, maybe based on the author's opinion. The qualification for entering a university in his country is unreasonable. Maybe for other authors, maybe that's reasonable. So this thesis statement can be discussed and explained, yeah, by the authors or the writer, yeah. Second example, when studying a second language, there are several ways to improve your use of the language. Okay, that's the sentence. There is word several ways. So here you have no, I mean not you. I mean the author or the writer have word several ways. That word can be explained in the body of the essay or in with the supporting ideas. Okay, you can talk about the first way is like that, second way, third way, okay, like that. So these two examples are strong thesis statement because they can be discussed and explained. Okay, understand? Let's go to the second criteria of a strong thesis statement. Yeah. A thesis statement should not be a sentence that only gives a fact about the topic. Let me underline, should not be a sentence that only gives a fact about the topic. Not a fact, not only a fact about the topic. Yeah, previously we talked about it should be the author's opinion about an issue or a topic, not the fact. Let's see how if your thesis statement belongs to a fact. In the northern hemisphere, the summer months are warmer than the winter months. Okay, this is the result of a research. There is a general fact, general truth. So we can discuss this thesis statement like yeah, it can be debated, it can be we can argue a lot about this. Okay, so maybe this is not belong to a strong thesis statement. It can be a thesis statement, but it's not that strong. Okay, yeah, that's why we should not put the fact in your thesis statement. Okay, don't only give a fact about the topic in your thesis statement. Add more opinion about the topic. Okay, next, the third, the last, a thesis statement should not state two sides of the argument equally. Okay, you should not state two sides, only you should put yourself in a position, not two sides. Okay, only it should be, it's better to make it strong, you need to have one side of the yeah, position or opinion in your essay. For example, like this, there are advantages and disadvantages of using nuclear power. Advantages and disadvantages means that you are in two sides of the argument here. Okay, this could be a topic sentence, but it is not a thesis statement. Okay, it gives two sides of an argument without giving a clear opinion of support or disagreement. You don't put your opinion whether you agree or not to this statement. Okay, it could be revised like this. Okay, this one revised into this one. Although there are some advantages, using nuclear power has many disadvantages and should not be a part of our country's energy plan. So here the authors put his position and give his argument toward the topic. So this is the stronger thesis statement rather than the first one. Okay. Okay, now you have already know there are three ways how to make strong thesis statement. Now let's go to develop a thesis statement. And how to develop a thesis statement is, okay, that this is maybe one way how to develop a thesis statement. Okay, first, so you need to write your opinion, of course, about the topic, and then this is the way. First, begin with this phrase. I think that blah blah blah, and complete the sentence with your opinion. I think that I'm beautiful. Can be. And then remove I think that, and remaining words make a possible thesis statement. Okay, remove I think that, and then the rest of your sentences previously will be your thesis statement. Give example like this: topic, diet or food. I think that a vegetarian diet is one of the best ways to live a healthy life. Okay, you write it like that. Okay, so that you can express your opinion. After that, yeah, when you put it in your essay, don't forget to remove the phrase I think that, so that your thesis statement will be like this: a vegetarian diet is one of the best way to live a healthy life, without phrase I think that. Okay, that's how to develop a thesis statement. Okay, do you have any question? Put it on the comment below. But if you want to check your understanding toward this topic, please write a thesis statement based on the topic below. Okay, please, I want to know about how you develop your thesis statement based on these three topics. Okay, please write down your thesis statement about these three topics below, down below on the comment box, so that we all know that which one is better, um, or compare our thesis statement, or argue, oh, this one is not that strong, how if like this, how if we revise it like this. Okay, let's talk a lot about how to write a strong thesis statement below on the comment box. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe this channel, or maybe you want to share it to your friend. Thank you very much. Okay, see you and bye bye.